how to create daily system restore points in Windows 10. If you are working on the Windows OS, then this is possible that you might be knowing about the restore points. For those who are unaware of these things, let's us give you the brief information about that. Restore points are the clone of the whole Windows settings and the changes at the given instant that could be stored for the future access. If in future any defects happen inside the system and you get your Windows running in the wrong way, then through using the restore points, the Windows could be reverted to the working condition as it was in that restore point stage. This is really hectic to create the system restore points every day. Why not make it automated? In this video we have shown the specific method by which the daily restore points could be automated on Windows. There is a two method for create daily system restore points in Windows. First method is using group policy editor. First of all, search for create a system restore point. Create a system restore point. Then select the C drive, configure. Now here you can select restore system setting and previous version of files. Apply, OK, then OK. Now you can go to run and type here gpedit.msc, hit OK. Now group policy editor is open.